Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have another unboxing for you from Kokorosa Studio. I'll have the links for them down below. I am a guest designer for them, and I just wanted to show you the things that I received in my last shipment. Really cool items. They had me pick out some acrylic stamps, the clear acrylic stamps this time, as well as I picked out some other dies, and they also threw in a little freebie here, just a little tiny one. But I wanted to first show you the products and then go into the items that I have made. And then later on, I will have a couple tutorial videos on how to make the tags and then how to make that little cute little flip book there. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the items. And as I said, the links for all of them will be down below. There will also be a coupon code for you, so if you want to check it out. Okay, so I'll start with the acrylic stamps here. So this one is a music note stamp, and it is approximately, I think, 3.5 inches square to 4. I'm not sure, I don't have a ruler with me. But it is a bigger stamp, and it's nice to use as a background. The only thing I noticed with this one, and this was the only one it happened with, is that it was really stuck to the plastic. So when I pulled it off, it didn't ruin the stamp itself. That's still straight, but the part that has the printed image on it is all, you know, curled. But I think if I stuck it in between like parchment paper and put my iron on it like on a low setting, I could get it to flatten out. Not a big deal. I mean, that's not the part you're using anyways, but it shows what it is. So it is just like a music note. I should have a piece of paper. Just like, all right, brought in a piece of paper so you can actually see what the print is. So it's just music notes, sheet music. All right, now, so that's that one. And then the next one I thought was really nice, and it could go with a botanical theme. It includes 2 pieces, so you could do 2 corners. And this is what this one looks like. You can see that one a little bit better. So I thought that was cool. And this one, it's probably around 5 by 4. But these are individual, so you could do that on a corner. And then this one I just had to have because I love cats. It's my favorite animal. And so that one I just picked out just because I love cats, and it just has all the different little cat little face, different little cats sitting and walking in the windowsill. I just thought that was so adorable. And then, let's see, that's all of the acrylic stamps. Okay, and then there's just one random thing that I picked out because I just loved, it was just so cute. I love gingerbread, but this is a little 6x6 paper pad. And so I'm going to be doing, I'll show you, well, I was going to show that later, but anyway, that's what I made with it. And it's just adorable. This is the top piece that kind of shows all the patterns. And I'll flip through the patterns. I've used it, of course, so there's little scraps in here still. But I think these little packets, it's not a pad, it's a pack, so they're all individual. You don't have to pull them out of the pad. There's a cute little rainbow. That is not a rainbow. Those are the little snowmen. And then here is like cupcakes with cookies and candies. More snowman. This has the little mug cakes. I think there's another one in there, but so this one is really cute. It has the snowman and then the mug cake and the gingerbread house. Here's just a plain like sky scene, I guess. They each have 2 of each pattern. So there's the second of that one. This one is super cute with the mug gingerbread house over there. I think that's really cute. 2 of those. There's a coordinating stripe. And then here's a candy stripe pattern. Here is the snowman again. This one has all the different cupcake mugs, or I guess they're, I don't know, that seems to me like it's a cake made in a mug. I don't know, but it's really cute anyway. Or it could just be hot chocolate with whipped cream on top. I don't know. And then this one has an actual house. It's really cute. There's 2 of those, and then there's a couple. There's the star pattern that coordinates, and then another background base with the same images, and then a coordinating dot pattern. I guess there's 3 of those. There may have been 4. No, I don't think I used that in the other one. Anyway, and then those are the pieces that I used. So yeah, it's really cute. They have all different kinds of paper pads, not just Christmas, but they did have other Christmas patterns. I think they may have had like a more of a snow winter theme. This was Christmas. I think they may have like a Santa pack, but then I'm pretty sure they had other themes, like maybe botanical, I don't know. You'd have to go and look. So there's that, and it comes with 12 designs and 2 sheets of each. So now onto the metal dies. They're thinlits, or the thin dies. I don't know if the thinlit is trademarked to a certain company. I don't know. But anyway, this is the freebie they gave me. It says, "You are my sunshine," and of course it's backwards because that's the way it cuts. But you'll see that. I'll show you what I made with that. And then this one is a cute little, it's like a little pocket. It makes 4 little pockets all together, and I think you can fold them up, and then it comes with 4 different kind of tags, and these are tiny. The tiny little tags are about 2 or maybe 1.5 inches tall, and then 1 inch wide. So this is the base of it, and you just put your whole sheet of paper on there. It scores all these pieces here and then cuts out the outside, of course. And then what you do is you fold that piece up and fold it around, and it makes 4 little pockets, and then you can fold it up if you want to make it a tiny little fold out booklet, like a tag book, and put that on a page. Or I'll show you what I did, where I just left it straight and sewed down the score lines and made it just a little page pocket thing. And then I cut out the tags with all the little different shaped tags. There's just kind of this little wavy lined one. This is a square with a little hole. That one's like a frame, and then this one's a round tag. So those are really cute. And then the last die that I bought was this. I don't know, I can't remember what it's called, but I'll have it, the name of it, down in the description. But this one makes a little fold, like a little card fold up thing, and I made it into like a flip out book sort of thing. But this is the whole base of it, and you put your whole paper on there. It makes the score lines here, and then you fold in one edge and fold that one. And then this one is a little frame that you can make a pocket for this part. It cuts it smaller, so you can either make it just so you can put a different pattern of fabric, or not fabric, but different pattern of paper on here. You can make that a pocket, or just add the paper on there. just to coordinate with whatever you're making with this, whatever your different papers are. Okay, so now let's show you what I made. So with this one, I used that die, and actually I used all of this. I used this and the paper pad on it. And I planned on getting this out in time to have a tutorial. I'm still going to make a tutorial with it. I was going to do a Christmas in July separate tutorial, but you just get it today. Since I'm putting this out before the end of July, you'll just get to see this now for Christmas in July. So I tied it up here, and then so this is the front when you open it up. On the back is where I made the little pocket here, and so I ended up just gluing it on 3 spaces so that I could put tags in here. So I made little tags with the scraps of paper. Those fit in there, and then this is the part that I cut out with this, and so it made the little cutouts here so that you could put tags, each little tag. I put some twine in the ones that actually had the holes in it, so those fit in there. And then I sewed along all the edges, and then where the score marks were here, where you're supposed to actually fold it up, but I just wanted it to be flat. So that's that. And then when you open it up here, you can see I used all the different coordinating papers in there. And then here is a little tag that fits in here. And I just cut a scrap and used the circle punch and made that part, and then just added in some other scraps of paper, cut this out of one of the pieces of paper. And then in here I just added 1 sheet of paper, but you could add more pockets if you wanted, or this could be where you have like a plain piece of paper and you write a sentiment in it. So you're basically making it a card. It's a card die, but I just thought this would be a cute little insert to put into a journal, or you can make it a friend mail and add more stuff inside here. You could just stick things in here and then fold it up and tie it in. Yeah, that would be really cute. So that is that one. And then for the other items, let me move these over here. And I may do a tutorial on this, but use different pattern, different paper, or different time of year or something. I'm not sure. And then, all right, so for these last 3, I used the music note paper on these tags, and then also the music note stamp and the cat stamp. I stamped the music notes on white paper and then tore strips, and I'll show you how to do this. I'll have a tutorial coming out soon on how I made these. And then I also stamped the cat on a separate paper and cut it out, fussy cut it, and just kind of layered it up. I used my distress inks to make these, and I'll show you how to do that in my tutorial. And then I just put some sari silk ribbon up here with some trim, or not yarn, but I can't remember. Words are escaping me today. And then I tied some ribbon down there, but I thought that was really cute. And then I made another one with that "You Are My Sunshine" die here, and this was I used orange and yellow distress ink on this tag, and then I cut with some yellow paper a sun, and then I added some flower trim at the bottom and some ribbon, and then just a couple different ribbons up here at the top. And then on this one, I did green and yellow background, or like a turquoise and yellow distressing back there. And then I stamped it with the flower stamp, just one corner there, and used my turquoise distress ink pad, and then just sewed around it with turquoise, and then added some ribbon down there, some eyelash trim and ribbon at the top. So yeah, that made a really cute little tag. So these can go in various journals. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe. Go ahead and check out Kokorosa Studio and follow my links down below, as well as the coupon code if you're interested in anything. But ultimately, I just hope that this gives you inspiration to make items that you can include in your journals and your scrapbooking, traveler's notebooks, whatever it is that you make in your paper crafting world. And we'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.